Today in the livestock market, cattle was a little bit higher. There was an uptick in the cash trade, but demand is still expected to drop after the 4th of July. I think that, but today is the month end and the quarter end, so that may be affecting the market right now. This is kind of like what we get when we get to these points of at the end of the quarter. So there's no real guarantee that we're going to have a continuation tomorrow. Now the CVAL has remained the same at 16.9%, and that's relatively high for cattle in general. So we're going to watch that closely. Interestingly enough, the feeders, they did fall. That grain surge did sink the futures completely. Box beef prices continue to fall. The grain market is having a big impact on the market, and if the grains continue to rally, as could be possible, it could actually have a long-term effect on feeders and even live cattle as well, and really put some pressure, maybe cap any kind of significant rally from here on out. So that's going to be something to watch. Hogs today were steady. Futures trade was really consolidative here. That July futures did end up, but was unable to pull back and fill the gap that was made by the jump up yesterday. Now, August futures did trade lower today, but were able to recover as well, and really just kind of, make a move sideways somewhat, which has been a surprise because in the hogs over the last number of months, the markets have been straight up or straight down. But tight supplies do still to be right here, and it's going to be something that's going to be affecting the market. Now, the CVAL for the hogs is down to 31.8%. Imagine that we're down almost 9% in that CVAL number over the last week, but the market has kind of slowed down a little bit. Now, it is just the end of the month, the end of the quarter. So we'll see how things begin now tomorrow. It should be an interesting trade as we go forward.